Hi, I'm Brendan, and in this presentation, I'm proposing an agentic system, NLT, which allows everyone to trade crypto with natural language. Frequent US policy shifts, trade tensions, and global economic uncertainty have made the US dollar more volatile. Since the USD underpins international trade, its instability ripples across global markets, affecting investment flows and financial confidence worldwide. As inflation and policy instability erode trust in fiat currencies, more people are turning to crypto as a hedge, and we're seeing that reflected in Bitcoin's recent all-time high of $110,000. But while interest is growing, crypto is still hard to access. In the US, only 70% of people feel confident in their understanding of it. In New Zealand, 50% of Kiwis are interested in investing, but most are discouraged by the complexity. This highlights a clear gap. People are ready for crypto, but the tools aren't ready for them. That's the motivation behind NLT, a system designed to make crypto feel familiar, safe, and accessible for everyday users. NLT is a Flask-based web app with a chat interface powered by Gemini. I chose Gemini here because it has a larger context window, which helps reduce hallucinations when handling multi-turn dialogue. I believe a text-based LLM-driven agent system can guide users through crypto trades using natural language, reducing technical barriers and improving instruction accuracy for non-experts. Next, I'll show you a quick demo of the system. First, let's create an account. Just like a typical crypto app, users can manually buy crypto from their profile page. However, the difference comes from the AI chat. Users are able to interact with Gemini and perform more advanced actions. Let's ask him to analyze the current Ethereum trend. I am now going to ask if this is a good buy or not. Based on his suggestions, I'm going to try buy $100 worth of Ethereum. You can see that the transaction is successful. The process is exactly the same when selling Ethereum when you make profit. In NLT, you can easily make transactions to other users as well. To evaluate the system's viability as a crypto trading assistant, I tested its performance in two core areas: Ethereum market analysis and transaction execution. For Ethereum analysis, I ran 4 different prompt types: 5 times each. I then evaluated those outputs using GPT-4 for clarity, accuracy, and consistency. In the second area, I tested transaction scenarios, including cases with missing details, vague numbers, or multiple requests in a session. I checked whether the system correctly asked for clarification and confirmed the user's intent before proceeding. Overall, Ethereum analysis was strong. The agent gave consistent and balanced responses for trends, forecasts, and news. On the transaction side, it confirmed intent in 9 out of 10 initial cases, but follow-up queries sometimes skipped confirmation, which could be risky. A key issue was ambiguity. For example, typing 10 was interpreted as 10 ETH without clarification. This highlights the need for better input and validation going forward. While the system shows promise, it still has reliability issues, like skipping confirmations or misinterpreting ambiguous inputs, which is a serious concern in financial use. To improve this, I'll explore fine-tuning a model and experimenting with a better system prompts to guide the agent's behavior. For real-world validation, I plan to test the system with real users in a sandbox environment and compare its performance against traditional crypto platforms. Thank you for listening.